Australia number 2 grocer Coles grows FY income, warns of price pressures. Australian number 2 supermarket chain Coles Group OTC, CLEGF, posted a bounce in annual income on Wednesday, making improvements to analyst forecasts, as it reined in spending amid surging inflation, however warned value stress became set to maintain, sending its stocks down sharply. Retailers globally have warned that rising fuel and aspect fees will translate into higher price tags as they searching for to protect margins, even as consumers switch to lower-priced items amid a cost of living squeeze. In Australia, where Coles and large rival Woolworths Group Limited collectively promote approximately two-thirds of groceries, food outlets are facing an additional challenge of flooding which has worn out crops and blocked roads, sending up wholesale fees. Net profit for Coles rose 3% to $1.05 billion Australian dollars, $724 million inside the 12 months to end June, as compared with the median analyst forecast of $988 million Australian dollars, in keeping with Refinitiv Icon. But the organization gave no earnings steering, saying that while it expected inflation to ease, it remained. There is a honest bit it really is past via in terms of the farmland product, and there is a piece to return, CEO Stephen Kane instructed newshounds on a name, referring to shelf fee inflation. It's never at the back of us, but we expect a higher photo in the second one half. Shelf charge inflation hit 3% within the June quarter, nevertheless at the back of Australia's typical inflation price, however almost 3 instances Coles's inflation of 1.7% over the complete year, an indication of the speedy exchange to trading conditions. Since hobby prices started growing in May, Coles had detected a shift in shopper options from branded to private label pasta, from clean to canned greens, and from beef to cheaper meats like pork, lamb and bird, Kane said on the call. Coles shares fell as lots as 5.2%, in opposition to a 0.6% advantage on the broader market, before rebounding in mid-session as analysts weighed up the impact of ongoing price pressures within the absence of earnings steering. Given sensitivities round food inflation, control changed into usually going to be guarded at the outlook, Jefferies analysts said in a study's word. Coles declared a final dividend of $0.30 in line with share, taking general dividends to 63 Australian cents, up 3.3% at the previous year. $1 equals 1.4499 Australian bucks.